Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while, up and down, all around. Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while. See all you can see. Go all that you can go, up and down, all around. Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while. Oh, it's been a while. I've been planning and waiting for this. It's been a long while. It's been a while, Macau. Up and down, all around. Mama, mama, cow. It's been a while, and it's gonna be a long time again.
Okay, so we're on a street called Brussels Street, which is named after a capital in Belgium. And this whole area is filled with streets with those kind of names. So we're going to be walking directly down this street. And one of the reasons I'm choosing this today is because there's a new restaurant in McDonald's. They actually have a new branch here. So we're going to walk by that and check it out. And then we're also going to show you a little slice of Macau. And we are in an area called NAPE. There's a NAPE main park right there. It has a really long name. Carlos Asuncion, Alameda, Doctor. Anyways, we can put it up on the map and then we'll show you that the cross street name too. Macau. We're in the NAPE area and this is Brussels Street, Bruxelas Street, Rua de Bruxelas. So let's get right into it. A little slice of Macau for you so you get an idea of what this particular area looks like. Macau has lots of different places. This is the NAPE area, as you can see up on the map. Let's just take you there as if you were there yourself and you could get an idea. All right, slice of Macau. So that's the cross street. It's kind of windy, a little bit of rain today. So that goes all the way down to the Guayin statue. So you can see a Guayin statue directly out in the ocean there. So this area is that space. Got those tall buildings everywhere. If you can see right over all those houses up there, those are where Gia Hill is at, which is where Gia Lighthouse is at. But we're going to be walking down Brussels Street, and I haven't filmed it in a while. I can't even remember what was here before, but now there's a McDonald's, which I think is new. I haven't been here in a little bit. OCB, I think that might be a new bank. It's an old bank, but a new branch, I think. I think it's been a while since I've been on this one. So yeah, there's a new McDonald's here, and it looks like it has a second story as well. So that's kind of cool. I'm going to show you what else is on Brussels Street because this isn't the highlight of it, but it is. There's a popular pharmacy. That one is very popular. And over there are also some hotels. There's MGM and Wynn over in that direction. I haven't been over here in a while. There's a Thai restaurant, Yummy. There's a few. Let me walk over to that side because it looks like it might be more interesting. I think there might be a we'll run across real quick. You see there's a Yummy restaurant right here as well as a Thai original. So the Thai one looks pretty good. Green curry. Some minced, that's the Macau one. So it's kind of a mix of Chinese, Thai, and Macau. You got pad Thai as well. They even have a little tuk-tuk truck. And then Yummy. Let's see. Oh, they also have Thai style as well. So they both, this has green curry, so I don't know if this is the same or not. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down and we'll see what else we have. And on the other side there's a St. Louis Cigar Club. Let's see what this one is. Just India. So this one, I think I remember walking by this one when it first was gonna open up. So I think the last Brussels one, I had a brief hello. This is Macau News 2024, Michelin 2025. Huh, I have to definitely go there. It smells really good. Here's another Minchi one. Minchi is kind of the Macau staple. Anyways, quite a few Macau ones. Here's another Macau one. This has those kind of it's pretty good right there. Kind of a mix of pork chop buns and things like that as well. Salon, Macau K-Zone. I think that one is a barber shop. And over there is St. Louis Cigar Club. Yeah, if you cross the street, it changes into a Portuguese city name. So the Brussels street is this one. There's another kind of Macau themed one. And then all the way down is Sands Casino. That one's out of business. It's kind of cool old fashioned. So now you have this beautiful street right here, and another beautiful street down this way. Whenever I see this street, I just kind of like it. I like the way that it's designed. It's kind of these grand boulevards. Okay, we're gonna keep on going down. It's called Avenida do Governor Jaime Silveira Marques. So we are going to keep on walking down. Let's see what else we got here. We got some face skin, coding. It looks like that one's out of business. This one is skin beauty, and then some apartments. And there's another Thai one over there. Actually, let me walk over there. This one also just Thai cuisine. Also has a place called, like, I think it's called Moon something. So you can go in here and then you can go up there. Then that has like a speakeasy bar, but I don't know if it's open anymore. It looks like this is all, but you used to be able to walk in there, and then up there was a speakeasy bar. I don't know, maybe it's not there. I think it was called like Moon something. There's a club over there, Johnny Walker, MPU, Macau Polytech University, one of their branches. So yeah, you can see the club right there. Those clubs are pretty loud. So if you like loud dice and karaoke and things like that, let's go this way. This also looks like this is closed here too. So what is it with this side of the street? Down this way, a lot of these are closed. Anyways, we're looking at the Sands Casino straight ahead, and then we're just kind of looking at these closed businesses on this side. And yeah, Sands Casino is right there. So we're going to oh, here we go. This looks kind of new. I don't remember seeing a place called Sam's before. It looks like they just have sandwiches and croissants. It smells really good. Wow, the smell is great. It smells like a kind of a sweet sour sauce or something like that, like a Thai style kind of thing, like pad Thai smell. Let's see. And then this one is Brussels. So Brussels is a street that we're on, and then Avenue de Jinghai. That avenue is named after a famous Macau composer. That's our street, Brussels. And then there's some hotels over there, Sands Casino, and we will go over to this side, and then we're gonna come to an end. But this corner looks kind of active. There's usually a lot of people hanging around this corner. I think it's like a tourist spot. So just kind of see. So yeah, I think all these are buses from the mainland, so they'll take tour groups, and so that's why it's so active there. They must have a contract, so they must bring all the tourists here. They buy a bunch of stuff, and then they go back to the mainland, which is kind of typical China tour group stuff. So okay, so that is Brussels Street. So okay, another little slice of Macau for you. Hope you enjoyed that.
Come on, Macau, come on now. It's a beautiful day.